this is the continuation of C programming language tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about error handling with file input output. Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. If you are watching this channel for the first time, watch this video till the end. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let's get into this video. Firstly, we are having these differences between binary files and text files. So I think there is no need of explaining this table. I have given this table. If you read it for one time or twice, you can understand easily. So I will be providing this PDF link. Then you can watch it and you can understand it very well. Okay, there is no complex thing here. I have split it down into easier points, like where you can understand. See, based on this aspect, you can understand the differences between text and binary files. Okay, then you can easily understand it. It is not much useful, but you can know it. Okay, if there is any question asked about this, you have to answer it, right? So just get a basic idea about these differences. Okay, let's move on to error handling with file input output. IO means input or output. Okay, input and output. So here we are having, see, it is very important because things can easily go wrong, like missing files, permission issues, etc. See, error handling, in name itself we are having handling the error, means if there is an error occurred, we have to handle it, we have to take care of it, and we have to how to overcome it. That's all we'll be having here. See, with file input output means while reading or writing into file. Okay, see, error handling with file input output means handling the error which is occurred when taking output, means getting the information of file or giving the information into file. That is the meaning of error handling with file input output, right? See, here we are having 4 common cases how to handle the errors. The first one is checking fopen. See, we have to check whenever you open a file, always check if fopen returns null. See, in previous program we have discussed here, right? See, after opening, just we are checking whether it is equals to null or not, right? So that is written here. See, whenever you open the file, always check if fopen returns null. That means, see, when this line is executed, then we have to know whether this line is successfully executed or not, right? So that's the reason we are just checking if that file pointer is null or it contains some value. Okay, if it is null, then this line will be executed. That should be checked for every when any file is open. That should be mandatorily checked. Okay, so that's the first error handling technique, which is checking fopen. Okay, now see, p error prints a system defined error message based on error number. That means, see, every compiler, means in every C programming we'll be having some header files, right? Like this, like hash include stdio.h. I haven't written here. Hash include stdio.h. Those will be present. Inside that there will be some system error, system defined error, which means see, that system will be having some error which will have it, means who prepared this language, who defined this language, they will be writing some errors, like when a file is not at all defined, then this error should be there, like that they will be writing some errors. So those are known as system defined errors, right? So here we are entering cp error opening file. We are giving this error opening file, then that when that file is not opened, then this message will be printed at user console, right? That's all with checking fopen. Then the second one is checking fread and fwrite. We have to check these fread and fwrite also. See, here we have, you should verify that reading or writing was successful. See, we are reading or writing into file. That means reading from the file and writing into file. We are having those operations, right? So we have to check whether it is successfully executed or not. Successfully reading from that file or successfully writing into that file. We have to check those also to handle the error, right? Yes. How to check? See, here example, size underscore t items read equals to fread. Yes, here we are reading what is the information present in that file. See, if this is if items read is less than 100 and if error of fp, then error reading file. That means, see, if we are here we are giving the size, how much information we are going to read, right? Here we have given 100. So but here, if this items read is less than 100, means it is not reading the total information present in that file. And if error of fp, means here we are, while opening, if this is an error while opening file, then error reading file will be printed. Same likewise, here we are having written also, same like that. But here we are not opening any file, right? We are not opening any already existing file. Here we are creating a file, creating a new file and writing into them. So if items written is less than 100, error writing to file, right? So that's all about checking fread and fwrite. And third one is checking fclose, right? Here we are having checking fclose, means, see, while opening we are checking while opening, right? And we are checking while reading and writing also, and at the end we are closing it, right? So while closing also we have to check it, because while closing a file there may be an error. The closing of file may be failed, so even closing a file can fail, so we have to check that also. So example, how we can check it? See, if fclose of fp not equals to 0, that means, see, after closing this fp, it will be returning 0, right? Which because that do not have any value, that value is already erased, so we will be having 0. But if we do not have 0, if we have some value, then error closing file, means that file is not closed. So this is the way to check fclose, right? And we are having some common file IO errors, input output errors. See, I have given a table to clearly understand this error and cause here, right? See, what are these errors? We have 4 errors like this. The first one is file not found. That means trying to open a non-existing file with R mode, right? What is the meaning of R mode? Means reading from the file, right? So if a file doesn't exist but we are trying to open it, we are trying to open and read from it, then file not found error will be thrown. That error will be thrown, and that is the first one. And this is second one, permission denied. Permission denied is nothing but trying to write to a read only file. Means we are opening a file with mode R, reading mode, but we are trying to write in it. It will not accept, right? See, if we open a file with read mode, we have to read only. If we open a file with write mode, we have to write only. The mode is specified the use of the opening the file. So we have to write into file which we have opened with write only, means write mode. Okay, so permission denied will be thrown when we are trying to write into a read only file. Okay, then disk full. Disk full is also an error. It causes when writing there might not be enough space. If a file is having some certain 100 bytes of memory, but we are trying to write some 120 bytes of memory, it cannot take it, right? It cannot take in, and disk full error will be thrown. Okay, means giving irrespective of size, we are giving extra amount of information into that file, then it throws disk full error, right? And another error is file corruption error. File corruption error is nothing but improper read or write or closing. Means when read or write are not at all executed successfully, or closing is not at all executed successfully, then file corruption error will be thrown. That is because, see, if you read or write something, then if we do not close it after reading or writing something from or to a file, then if we do not close the file correctly, then there is a chance of corruption. Means anyone can access that file and can alter that information. So file corruption error will be thrown. So these are the common file errors. So to overcome these, we have to follow these three methods, like checking fopen, checking read and write, and checking close. We have to use these methods to check whether a handle with error. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Hope you have understood everything in today's class. If you have any doubts, share in the comments below. I'll be checking them out. Okay, then, and if you like this session, don't forget to like this video, sharing with your friends, and subscribe this channel along with hitting the bell icon. Thank you. That's all for today.